guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying a space bun hair tutorial. Now I've seen this all over YouTube and people are trying different makeup tutorials from other YouTubers. Some are even trying nail art tutorials from other YouTubers, but today I'm trying a hair tutorial. So before we start this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Also hit the notifications bell that we get notified every time I upload. And if you have not already, make sure to please subscribe. Please, please, please. We are currently trying to reach 500 subscribers, so it would really help if you subscribe. And if you are new here, my name is Shelby and welcome to my channel. So without further ado, let's get on start with this video. We need a brush, we need a comb, we have that. We have some elastics and we do have bobby pins. I do have hair products. And I do have a clip. Okay, I don't have extensions, but that's okay because it's optional. She said it's optional. Alright, so we have everything we need. Let's get on to actually making the space buns themselves. The first step is we are going to brush our hair, as she has said. So we're going to brush our hair and hopefully we meet up to the standards. Hi guys, so let's see what is next.
Fishtail comb. Either the tail or the
okay, so we're going to part our hair. Now I do have a comb kind of like this, but I decided to go with something like a little different. So I'm gonna go with this, and hopefully I can part my hair. Okay, let's see what technique she uses, because I'm sure it makes it way easier.
Either the tail or the brush side. I'm gonna use the brush side because that's just what I'm used to.
Whoa. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Right here. Okay, I probably messed it up. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Alright, that should be good. So I think that's parted. I can't tell exactly because there's no viewfinder on this camera, but I think it is. And if it's not, then we'll find out in the end product. So let's work on this part. Oh, okay, so she's gonna clip her hair now. Alright, so I'm gonna brush my hair on this side. I think she did this side. So I'm gonna brush my hair and I'm gonna clip it on. So I kind of got my hair parted on this side. I mean, I can't do exactly what she was trying to do because I'm not professional and my hair is really thick, like I said, so it really falls out really easily. So now the next part
hair up
is to get
my brush,
the
and
other
I'm
side
going
of
to
our
position
hair.
my ponytail wherever it looks best on my head.
Alright. So we're going to brush our other part of our hair and we're going to put it up in the ponytail-like side. So yeah. So now we're going to tie it with a tie and see if it actually turns out, because I'm hoping it turns out and praying it turns out, because I'm not the best at hair and usually I just keep my hair down because it's easier and it's not too much to manage. Alright, so I think that's good. I don't think it's good, but I don't know. So if it turns out good in the end, then I guess we're good. So I did a little bit of editing to this hair. Not much. I don't know if it's good or not, like I said. So now I'm going to move on to this part, and I will see you guys once I got this in a ponytail. So I finished my ponytail, and I'm hoping it turns out, but you know, again, with this kind of thick hair, I think it's pretty unpredictable because these kinds of hairstyles require like thin and just normal hair. I have thick hairs. I don't know if it's going to turn out. Let's hope it does. Alright, so the next thing is to make our space buns. Space buns by tying them and rolling them up, kind of like if you roll up, and making them the space buns that they are. So basically, we're going to need some bobby pins because we need bobby pins to secure our hair. And we're going to move on to this right now. Alright, so I'm rolling it up kind of like a fruit roll up, and I'm just going to put a pin in it. Okay, oh, it's kind of staying. Alright, oh, I'm sure it's not. Okay. Let's, oh, wow, okay, well, I don't know, maybe it'll turn out cute. Alright, so now we'll do the other side and I will see you guys later. So I have finished the tutorial and I don't know, now is the reaction time. So I'm going to access my camera as of right now, and I'm going to check it out if it has been successful or not. Guys, so I'm reacting the first time to seeing these. I have not looked at a viewfinder, mirror, or a camera lens the whole time. So this is gonna be the first time I see it, alright? Oh my gosh. I mean, it's kind of cute. Why not wear it the whole day? But, I mean, I don't know if I'm doing the whole look of it being like this. It's kind of crazy, like a tornado went through my hair and kind of looked like a big mess. However, I think it's workable with. What do you think, camera? You think it's workable with? I think it is. However, I think I could have done a better job. So, I mean, if I had to choose, I would say it's a pretty good chance I would make these again. Guys, so thank you so much for watching this amazing yet disastrous video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so very much. Mwah! Bye! Not gonna lie, I totally rock this style, and I think I just created something horrible. Wow, I am terrible at hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is my end result. Space buns. I have such thick hair, my hair won't withstand. So, yeah, this is my alternative. Space buns.